Hello students of class 5. We already started chapters of syllabus for our final exam 2021. Today I am going to tell you the syllabus for all the subjects. You all please listen it carefully and note it down. So here is the syllabus. Firstly, I am telling you the syllabus of English literature. New Radiant Reader, the name of the book, New Radiant Reader 5. Chapter 9, The Boy Who Loved Music, Part 1. Chapter 10, The Boy Who Loved Music, Part 2. Next, Chapter 11, The Boy Who Loved Music, Part 3. Chapter 13, Atuk and Puller. Chapter 14, The Paper Makers. Chapter 25, The Brave Rani of Jhansi. Chapter 32, Shibi Rana's Sacrifice. Okay, so here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chapters. Next is Literature Workbook. Chapter 13, 14, 16, 28 and 32. 13, 14, 16, 28 and 32. Okay, 5 chapters are here. Next is English Language. Roots, Book 6, Chapter 1, Why I Don't Wear Earrings. Chapter 3, Kali Wants to Dance. Chapter 6, Shipwrecked. Chapter 7, Everest Reactions. And Chapter 9, The Ransom of Red Chief. Okay? And the next is Language Workbook, Vocabulary, Worksheet 3, Irony and Oxymorons. Worksheet 5, Compound Adjectives. Worksheet 7, Root Words and Grammar. In Grammar, Language Workbook Grammar. Worksheet 3, Kinds of Phrases. Worksheet 4, Transitive and Intransitive Verbs. Worksheet 9, Direct and Indirect Speech. And the next is English Grammar. The subject is English Grammar, Grammar Trick. Chapter 9, Sentence. Chapter 11, Simple Tenses. Chapter 12, Continuous Tenses. Chapter 13, Perfect Tenses. Chapter 15, Adverbs. Chapter 17, Prepositions. So, in English grammar, there are 6 chapters. Okay. Next subject is mathematics. ICSE Mathematics. From ICSE Mathematics, Chapter 10, Perimeter, Area, Volume. Chapter 11, Money. Chapter 12, Measurement. Chapter 13, Time. Chapter 14, Percentage. Next is Mental Math Book. From Mental Math Book, it is exercise 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68. So, here from 54 to 68. And then it is from 71, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 81, 82, 83, 84, 88, 89, 92, 95, 98, 99 and 100. Okay. Next subject is Science. From my Science book, Chapter 9, Work and Energy. Chapter 10, Light and Shadow. Chapter 11, Simple Machines. Chapter 12, Cleanliness and Hygiene. Here is 4 chapters from Science book. Next subject is Social Study. The book is New Approach to Social Studies. From this book, it is Chapter 11, The Ancient India's Indus Valley. Chapter 12, Legends of India. Chapter 16, Climate and Us. Chapter 17, The Land of Sand and Snow. 4 chapters from Social Study book. Okay. And Next is moral science. The subject is moral science. Value education with yoga. From the book Value Education with Yoga, all chapters. All chapters of the book you have to learn. Okay, full book. Next subject GK. GK from the Knowledge Quest. Book number name Knowledge Quest. Chapter 9, all about mountains. Chapter 10, bookworms. Chapter 11, green world. Chapter 14, foodology. Chapter 15, airports and airlines. And chapter 17, amazing animals. Next, Bengali second language. From Sanchoyita book, Goddo, Kushal Pahari, বিভূতিভূষণ বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। জাত যায় কি করে, শশীভূষণ দাশগুপ্ত। যখন স্কুলে, সত্যজিৎ রায়। বাণিজ্যে বাঙালির স্থান, রামানন্দ চট্টোপাধ্যায়। নেক্সট, পদ্য, বঙ্গ প্রকৃতি, কাজী নজরুল ইসলাম। আদর্শ ছেলে, কুসুম কুমারী দাস। শিশুর সংকল্প, জসিমউদ্দিন। সিপাহী বিদ্রোহ, সুকান্ত ভট্টাচার্য। ব্যাকরণ থেকে, ব্যাকরণে লিঙ্গ, বচন, পুরুষ, বাক্য সংকোচন বা এক কথায় প্রকাশ। অমৃত পুরুষ বইয়ের থেকে ক্ষুদিরাম বসু। 2 নম্বর জগদীশচন্দ্র বসু, সুভাষচন্দ্র বসু, নজরুল ইসলাম। 4টি চ্যাপ্টার। Bengali second, next is Bengali third language subject. গদ্যাংশ, নফলা যোগে শব্দ গঠন, পেজ নাম্বার 23। জাহ্নবী, পেজ নাম্বার 24। মফলা যোগে শব্দ গঠন, পেজ নাম্বার 27। বাল্মীকি মুনি, 29। রেফ যোগে শব্দ গঠন, 31 পেজ। বর্ষায় দুর্গতি, 32। এরপর আছে কবিতা, শিশুর জাগরণ, উপেন্দ্র কিশোর রায়চৌধুরী, পেজ নাম্বার 54। বড়লোক, পেজ নাম্বার 60। গাছ কেটো না বন্ধু, পেজ নাম্বার 63। অ্যান্ড দ্য নেক্সট ইজ বাংলা ব্যাকরণ ও রচনা, ক্রিয়াপদ, পেজ নাম্বার 27। ক্রিয়ার কাল, 31, পেজ নাম্বার 31। লিঙ্গ, 34। বচন, 38। বিপরীতার্থক শব্দ, 47। The next is রচনা। রচনা, there are two, আমাদের জাতীয় পতাকা and ধান। এসো লিখি বাংলা হাতের লেখার বই থেকে, from page 35 to 48. Next subject is computer. Computer, chapter 1, evolution of computers. Chapter 2, types of softwares. Chapter 3, MS Word. MS Word, advanced features. Chapter 4, more with MS Word. Chapter 5, MS PowerPoint, advanced features. Chapter 6, Internet and its services. Chapter 7, Scratch programming, introduction. So, here are 7 chapters in all. Next subject is SAOPW, Busy Base Art Book. Page 14, 15, 19 and 21 to 24. From SAOPW, Busy Bees Art Book, page 14, 15, 19 and 21 to 24. Busy Bees Craft Book, Creative Painting Activity, page 18 to 19. Thumb Impression Activity, page 23 to 24. Play and Color Book, Follow Online Classes. And Do and Learn Book, chapter 10, The Culinary Delights. Chapter 11, the exhibition at school. Chapter 12, work is worksheet. Okay, now, so this was the syllabus. You know that there was a notice about submission of school copies. I'm telling you again that you students of class 5 submit all your school copies of respective subjects and workbooks on 11th January 21, Monday, along with workbooks which must covering all question and answers of chapters of first and second terminal. This will be evaluated out of 20 marks. And you all note it that you need not submit SUPW book and copy on 11th. The date of submission of SUPW book and copy will be notified later. So, note all instructions carefully and bye for now.